Hello, my dear children. Today we are going to talk about string manipulation and mathematical functions. First, we will learn about the string manipulation. The string predefined functions is also called as C string functions. If you use any string manipulation functions in the program, we first include the header file string.h. Number of predefined functions are there in string. For example, strcpy, that is string copy, strcat string concatenation, strlen string length, strupr string upper, strlwr, that is string lower, strcmp means string comparison, and some functions are there in C++ models. First we will learn about the string copy. The general form of string copy is string copy within parenthesis target comma source. So strings takes two arguments, that is target and source. Each string, the last character is a null character, that is /0. This is an example for string copy. First you should include the header file string.h and then assign the two values, one for source equal to computer science and target equal to target, and then print these two values, that is source and target, so the output is computer science and target. In the next line we use string copy, that is string copy of target comma source. So source value is stored in the target, so the value of source computer science is stored in the variable target, and then we print the target, the output is computer science. Okay, the next concept is string len. String len is mainly used to find the length of the string. Here null character is not included in the length of the string. General format of string len is string len within parenthesis we give the string. For example, char s equal to welcome to all. Here how many characters are there in a string? Totally 14 characters are there in a string including space. So cout string len of s அப்படிங்கிறப்போ அங்கே how many characters are there in the string அப்படிங்கிறத ஃபைன் பண்ணி நமக்கு output display வரும். ஓகேவா? So the output is 14. We count the each character including space. The next concept is string comparison, that is strcmp. Here two arguments are there, one is string 1, another one is string 2. Compare these two strings and then produce the output. Here comparison is based on ASCII values. The general format for string comparison is strcmp. Two arguments are passed, one is string 1 comma string 2. If the output is positive value, here the string 1 is greater than string 2. If the output is negative value, so the string 1 is less than the string 2. If the output is 0, both the string are equal. Okay. The next string function is strcat, that is string concatenation, which is mainly used to join the two strings. In this string also contains two arguments, that is one is target, another one is source. The general format for string concatenation is strcat within parenthesis two arguments are passed, one is target comma source. For example, str1 equal to computer and then str2 equal to science. Here we using the function strcat of str1 comma str2. So these two strings are joined and produce the output computer science. Okay, this is the function of string concatenation. The next function is strupr and then strlwr. Strupr is one of the string function which is mainly used to convert the given string into uppercase letter. Already we see the character function. For that function, two upper and two lower are used. Two upper is used to convert the given character into uppercase letter. Two lower is used to the given character is converted into lowercase letter. For that function only the character is converted, but in this function we convert the string. So the strupr is used to convert the given string into uppercase letter. strlwr is used to convert the given string into lowercase letter. For example, s1 equal to computer, s2 equal to science. Here s1 equal to all characters are lowercase letter. s2 equal to science is given, all characters are uppercase letter. And then print cout strupr of s1. So the s1 characters are converted into uppercase letter. And then print cout strlwr. So the s2 characters are converted into lowercase letter. So the output is computer is displayed in uppercase letter, science is displayed in lowercase letter. Okay. The next concept is mathematical functions. Number of mathematical predefined functions are there in C++ library. For example, sine, cos, sqrt, that is square root, and so on. First we see about the sine and cos function. These two functions takes only single argument in radians and also returns the range from -1 to +1. Okay, -1 to +1. The values are either in double, float or long double. For example, in this program, we use the mathematical function, we include the header file math.h. Double x equal to 0.5 and then result equal to cos of x. X value is 0.5. So the cos of x is, cos of 0.5 is 0.877583. The next predefined mathematical function is sqrt, that is square root function, which is mainly used to find the square root of the given value. And also it takes only positive value, that is non-negative argument. If we give the negative value, it produces the error, that is a domain error occurs. Okay. For example, sqrt of 64, the output is 8. One more example, sqrt of 625, the output is 25. The next function is power of function, which is used to find the power of an exponent. Here two arguments are passed. The syntax of power function is power of base comma exponent. Base is the base value, exponent is the power value. For example, power of 3 comma 2, that means 3 square. Okay, so 3 into 3, 9. So the output is 9. These are all the predefined functions in Dev C++. Thank you, students.